3. Hi guys, here's the inside of my membership, just to give you an idea of how I put it all together. So the way I set it up is I have a home tab, which just has some quick links to the different areas of the site. I specifically put in an image to convey my message of what the membership is, and I shared that across all of the different areas. So in my case, I have my TCAM 3.0 course, which is the product that I sell, an online course to help parents teach their kids about money. And I've got that set up in 12 modules. So I put them all in this section here with a very brief description of what each section is about. And on each page, as you can see, again, that same sort of headline, or rather header picture, just to make sure that the feeling of the site carried across, made it a bit more friendly. And then down here, I've got my videos that I host in Kartra, and I just pop them straight in here. Welcome instruction videos, and of course the lessons that I give. Kartra allows us to have download links, so I chose to do that. You can also actually have audio right on the page. I chose not to do that for now, but I might consider it later. Putting an image in is really easy. I literally just copy and pasted it right in the text box, so that was nice and easy. And then I like to have a link where it opens up in a separate page, but also where they can download it. So again, just some ideas. These are images that I had myself. They're not pre-programmed in there, but it's really easy to edit. Same thing, you can click buttons to move your members into different sections within your Kartra membership site. These are not buttons yet. That's one thing I would love to have Kartra be able to do, is to take an image and make it clickable. So that is something, you can make an image clickable to an outside page, but making an image clickable to within your membership page is not quite there yet, but I'm sure it will come. I have faith. Everything else in Kartra has been amazing. Again, call to actions, clicks to the next module, and so forth. And I've allowed the comment section to be open as well. I personally think that's a great idea and a great option that we have in Kartra to show involvement and a way for our members to connect. So that's really awesome. I've set it up so that I have to say yes, yay or nay to the comments before they show up, but that's up to you. I have a section here for where I actually have my free tools. I give away gifts just like most of you will with my opt-in page. So I give away free gifts, and I decided to actually put them in my membership area. So on my thank you page that I'll send out to people for opting in, it will have a link to the membership, and then they will see all of these tabs, but they won't have access to everything, which I love about Kartra. So they will have access to these gifts, but actually when they go here and they click on this, right now you happen to be seeing one that is a full membership, so it would open up. But if you were looking at it as just a free member, these would show, but when you click on it, it would either simply be not clickable. You can see the little sign over here that's green. It would be red. Or you can actually set it up so that a pop-up window will come up and you can have a video and a link encouraging your members to buy, which is what I've actually set up. I have this, I like to use YouTube as one of my channel ways to get traffic. So I've set up my Cleverdo Kids TV section, which is really just my YouTube channel where I've imported a bunch of my videos. Clearly, I still have more to come. But I thought this would be a great area as well to keep people, or rather my members, interested in the topic and keep them constantly going to my YouTube page, because that's where I intend to generate traffic from, but also to use it as a way to encourage people to create their own success stories and testimonials for my product by allowing them to be showcased, which who doesn't like to be showcased, right? So, you know, here's one. And here's another one. I've got a ton more. I just haven't had a chance to upload them yet. I've been very lucky that way. Testimonials of people who've used your product. So in this case, the success stories are the actual children who have had success learning about money. And the testimonials are specifically for the course. So here's a bunch of the YouTube video testimonials that I have that I have been able to upload. So yeah, I highly recommend that because it encourages our members to perhaps create a video for us, you know, in exchange for getting listened to or getting known. I have a page of recommended resources, which I click to. So when they're in the modules here, for example, allowances. So when I talk about allowances, then I have links that go to the recommended resources page where I will have books on allowances, or where I'll have videos, again, probably most likely from YouTube, other courses that I recommend, games, things like that. So where I can have my Amazon links, things like that. I like the idea of Kartra that we can put everything in one membership so that we can really create a community. I have old courses, so I decided instead of just not using them, I'd have them as an additional bonus. So when people buy my TCAM 3.0, Teaching Children About Money 3.0, they get access to the archives, so the original TCAM and the TCAM or TCAM 2.0 as a bonus. And again, you can make this lockable or unlockable depending on what level, which is awesome. And of course, I mean, hey, who's the best person to sell our products? Our members who use it, right? So I decided to put links straight in there of, how to become an affiliate tools, and so on, which I haven't had much chance to fill up yet because, again, it's all been just madly moving everything over. But we may as well. So, I have a video about becoming an affiliate, and here is where I will also have a link that will send them to my Kartra associated affiliate link, and you can have JVs or affiliates or both. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you a really quick look at it to show you what's possible and how I chose to lay it out. I found it much more helpful to put it in sections and then have individual posts. And from those posts, like some of them are tremendously full. But you can see I've got tons. Making it fun. That's actually a shorter one. If I show you one that's making money, there you go. So kids making money, right? I apologize for that. So again, on each page, I've got that same header because I wanted to keep the feel. I've changed these up to go with, and again, these are just images. They're not clickable. You could make them clickable to an outside page. Again, you can't make it clickable to a membership page yet, but I'm sure that that will be something. For the meantime, though, if you want to make something clickable to another area in your membership, then they have these green buttons. Okay, green. You can choose whatever color you like. But that would, for example, then if I click on that, it would bring me to that next section. So you can see here, module 4. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, go ahead, leave them in the comments box below on the Facebook page that we've got here at Kartra. I'm just so excited. I can't wait to have this all live and going. And I highly recommend for anybody using the system to take the advice of Kartra and work backwards. Get your product in place and then work backwards until you get back to your front end, which is your opt-in. So this is exciting stuff, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was helpful. Thanks so much. Bye.